श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम। सर्ग सेकंड श्लोक नंबर 7। गुरोर्नियोगादधिगम्य राज्यं शिष्यस्तदीयो द्रुहरिव्रतीन्द्रः गजेशकोशस्थितराममूर्तिं पूर्णप्रबोधाय समार्पयत्ताम्। Guroho of Sri Madhvacharya Niyogat by order Adhigamya came Rajyam kingdom Shishyaha disciple Tadiyaha of Sri after Padmanabha Tirtha Druhari Vatindraha great seer Sri Narhari Tirtha Gajesha king Kosha treasury Sthita present Ramamurtim statue of Moolarama Purnabodhaya to Madhvacharya Samarpayat handed over. We know that Shama Shastri, after losing the debate with Sri Madhvacharya, became his strong disciple, accepted sannyasa diksha and became Sri Narhari Tirtha. As ordered by Madhvacharya, Sri Narhari Tirtha went to Jagannath Puri kingdom, where in the treasury of the king, Moolarama statue was present. This ancient and very powerful Moolarama statue was given to King Ikshvaku by Lord Brahma. Then all the kings in the Ikshvaku's lineage, including Dilip, Raghu, Dasharatha, worshipped this idol with great devotion. This was one of the reasons Dasharatha named his son as Ramachandra. Then this idol went to Sita, followed by Lakshman, then Jambuvan, and then Hanuman. Then from Hanuman it went to Bhimasena. Both are the incarnations of Vayudevaru. After Pandava dynasty, idol reached to royal store of Gajapati king in Jagannath Puri. Madhvacharya was very much keen to worship this Moolarama idol even in his third incarnation. Hence, he sent Narahari Tirtha to Jagannath Puri. When Narahari Tirtha came to Puri, that time the king has just died and his son was too young to handle the kingdom. Hence, royal family along with the Purohits were looking for the experienced and able person to handle the kingdom. They performed yajna and sent elephant with the water vessel and garland. Elephant came to the place where Sri Narhari Tirtha was performing the morning worship rituals. Elephant consecrated Narhari Tirtha and garlanded him. Royal family along with the minister requested Narhari Tirtha to ascend the throne. Narhari Tirtha attended the affairs of the kingdom for 12 years. For the time the prince came to the age, after which he consecrated a prince as a king, and that time when the queen and prince asked him to accept something, that time he asked for the Moolarama idols as per Sri Madhvacharya's order. He came back with the idols and handed over the idols to Sri Madhvacharya.